In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change flight eDreams. By the end, you'll know exactly what to look for and how to move through the process smoothly without surprises. First, a quick reality check before you start. Not every ticket can be changed. Many of the cheapest fares are sold as non-changeable, and even when changes are allowed, the rules come from the airline operating your flight. That means restrictions, fees, and availability will vary. It's a good idea to review the fare conditions in your booking so you know whether date or time changes are permitted and what costs might apply. If your fare can be changed, you'll see an option to proceed within your booking. When you're ready, head to Manage Booking. You can do this from the eDreams website or app. Have your booking reference and the last name on the reservation handy so you can pull up your trip quickly. Once you're in, you'll see your upcoming itineraries and the details of each flight. Select your booking so you're working on the correct trip. Take a moment to confirm the passenger's current dates and airports. If you're changing only one leg of a round trip, double-check which segment you want to modify so you don't accidentally adjust the wrong one. Next, click Change Flight. If this option is visible and active, your fare likely allows a change under certain conditions. If it's missing or grayed out, the ticket may be non-changeable under the airline's rules. Now fill out the necessary details. Choose the new dates and times that work for you, and make sure the airports are correct. Some cities have multiple airports. Look at layovers and connection times if you have a multi-leg itinerary, and consider how a new schedule might affect things like baggage, check-in windows, or onward plans. Keep in mind that seat selections and extras may not carry over, so plan to reselect them later if needed. Before you lock anything in, confirm the change. You'll see a summary showing your original itinerary and the new one, along with any rules or restrictions. Read it carefully. This is where you'll also see any price difference and service fees. Finally, pay the difference if needed. Even when a change is allowed, you'll usually pay any increase between your old fare and the new fare, plus applicable taxes or fees. Complete the payment and wait for the confirmation screen. You should receive an updated itinerary by email. Save it and verify that all details match what you selected. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll navigate flight changes on eDreams with confidence.